Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a motion flyer on Photoshop and any other video app that you use. So you are just going to select your image here, and I'm just going to remove background. And what you're going to basically do is you're going to layer on some shapes, some other photos, and some text to it. I'm just going to layer text because I'm not bothered right now to add on other stuff. So I guess I'll add shapes as well here. I'll put like one in the corner and fill the color to, well, like this pink maybe. And then I'll do another one here. Okay. And then for the text, I'm going to add in like beauty class. I don't know. And then I'm just going to copy and paste the text. And then I'm going to like type with Joanne. I don't know who Joanne is. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to like export it or like save it like one by one. So you're just going to turn these off, and then you're going to export that. And then you're going to only just export this. And then you're just going to only export the text and then just the other text. And then with any video editing app that you use, you're going to add animations to all of the like shapes and text and design separately, so you'll get a motion flyer. Hopefully that explanation is enough. I don't know. Hopefully that explanation is clear enough for you guys to understand. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.